You know, when you start the blower first time in the winter, it won't start. So make sure everything is okay. Run, fuel, choke, and prime it. Makes a small squeak. And keep priming it, but it's needless because it starts leaking. Just doesn't start. This is what to do. You just need the 10mm and a screwdriver. Eventually, I'll show a picture at the end. We need just to drain it a little bit, and there's 2 bolts, and we just need to drain a few seconds of gasoline. Let me see. Need to catch it. Use gloves, quality gloves, not cheap one, because gasoline is terrible. It's sticking. Let's just remove the bolt. Make sure you catch it because it's really awful liquid. I will let it drain for a few seconds. It's not a matter of draining a lot, just until it drains a little bit like this. And I pull back the small screw. It's a 10mm bolt. The gasoline, you just catch it's okay. There's no problem with it. You can put it back in the gas tank and just put it on the side and tighten this guy. That's why I use a screwdriver, just to keep it from rotating. Let me see. So it goes like this. Don't tighten too much. There's really no need for that. It's just a small snug like this, and start again. Try to start again. And that's what you want to hear. It's like small squeak. Let's see. Let's try it again. See, it's on run. It's on. Let's drain some more. It goes like this. Like this. This happens every year because there's ethanol in the gas, and you may use Sta-Bil. There's a stabilizer, but let's just let it drain a few more. So I will perhaps let it drain a few more seconds just to see the flow a little bit more faster, or more flow basically. Okay, let's put it back. And you really need gloves for this because you don't want to touch your hands with gasoline. And you notice it's a bit messy. This one I'm going to put it back in the tank. It's still good. It's just that there is a small spray. It's called emulsifier. It's really like a thin rod with multiple, with several tiny holes that just get clogged when you store it in summertime. Perhaps my chop wasn't good, let's say. basically what I just did is just turned the fuel valve off and on. I'm not sure why it was on, but I just switched it off and on. Maybe that let it was something stuck in there, so I let the fuels flow again. And these small screws are here. This one, the center one, it's keeping the small cup in place. You don't touch it. The side one and more recessed one, not recessed but going downwards. This is the drain valve, as you see from the side. You may want to use a screwdriver to keep it from rotating when you unscrew this guy, and don't tighten too much. So try this first.